for some lightning. Probably not gonna get any. But you guys see, I have a view of the water from my room. Nice, huh? It's coming down pretty good. See it off the house right there. Blowing. Been trying to get lightning strikes, but they kind of stopped. They passed us. There was one while I was in the shower, probably about 10 minutes ago. It was in the bay around this turn, like right around this turn. Then I'm used to going around to the flight line, which isn't too far from my house. Yeah, it was pretty loud when it happened. I need to find the remote though, because the finals are about to start. And I do not want to miss that, because the finals are awesome, and it's going to be a good matchup. And it's been like 8 days without any basketball to watch. Guess we'll just do that. So, hopefully I still have signal. We have satellite again. We got dish this time, which I really miss DirecTV sometimes. But I don't think we have signal. I think it's out. Yep, HD signal is out. Great. That's fantastic. Nope. We are out of signal. I just heard some lightning. Saw some lightning. Oh. Oh yeah. It's probably about 4 miles away. Weak. Oh, okay. Here it goes. NBA Finals are about to tip off. So excited. Here we go. Wonder who's gonna. I think the Warriors take game 1. I think they are incredibly. They're gonna be so hyped. I'm waiting for the signal to come back, so I have to watch it on the screen. But oh, there's that move by Michael Jordan that they show every year against the Lakers in the finals. There's the final shot. Oh, there's Kobe. Oh, I remember that shot. Ray Allen's three-pointer. Clutch shot. It's insane. There we go.
It all began back in October with training camp, and now it's almost time for one last step to decide an NBA champion. Let's get
Oracle's getting hyped.
To PA announcer Matt Hurwitz.
So excited.
Featuring the Eastern Conference champion Cleveland Cavaliers and your Western Conference champion Golden State Warriors.
I'm so excited.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You can't see it on my face.
We ask you to please rise in honor of America. Displaying the flag are members of the United States Army.
Oh, here we go.
Here to perform our national anthem, please welcome a 10-year-old Bay Area native, Naya Jamison.
10? Wow.
Oh, say, can you
What?
In the finals logo and kind of the hype of the East Coast West Coast battle.
And this brings a different, fresh final series to the NBA.
If a championship could make, 12 to 15 grown men, I want to be a part of it. Achieving a goal is actually visualizing it, dreaming about it, daydreaming about it. My visions and thoughts about what it would mean to bring a championship to the city.
5 times.
First time 40 years the Warrior team have been here, and about 6 years since I've been here, just to see where we came from to now. We got 4 more.
Warriors have beaten everyone in front of them to get to this point. As we welcome you to Oakland, California on a beautiful day.
Oklahoma City.
Bay Area.
Oh, no.
Of course,
That was 3 years ago.
At Oracle Arena, where they pack them in every game, watching a magical season for their Golden State Warriors. And good evening, everyone. Welcome
Hey.
to the NBA Finals. Game 1 is
been a leader, and he has been for the Cleveland Cavaliers this year. Made a promise and has stuck to it. Did it all. Bottom line is he's not the MVP, but he is the best player in the world.
As for Golden State, they've been the best team all season long. That's by Stephen Curry, who Jeff is not the most physically imposing player, but put a ball in his hands and he strikes fear.
I'm gonna eat my green beans and watch this.
Skill may not,
So excited.
size or speed may not be what you expect from a great player, but the shooting and the skill is incredible with the ball in his hands. Well, I don't think we've ever seen a better combination of shooting and passing at the point guard position.
Here we go. Tip off. Oh, nice scoreboard.
Golden State 12-3 in the playoffs. This crowd has watched some great basketball all season long as Tristan Thompson scores the first points. During the regular season, they were 39-2, the second best home record in the history of the league, and they lost only once at home in the playoffs. Backdoor to Thompson, reverse layup, won't go. It's fallen back by Bobby. Here comes Thompson. Thompson to scoop. Barnes on the foul. The basketball not down. The foul is on Thompson. Iguodala against James. Nice move. Scoops inside and throws it down. James doing it off his foot. Iguodala, good defense, gets it back. Drives inside. You got it falling, Mike. It's a bad front court shooter. Villanova have it stripped on overtime. And Steph Curry will drill it out. Game 1 goes to the Warriors. LeBron James with 42, they've got 44 points, but not enough for the Cavaliers, who could not find the range.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna call it in. So now, game 1 is over with. Warriors take it like I thought they would. And yeah, that team is firing on all cylinders. Looking nice. Cavs lost Kyrie tonight. Went down with a knee injury. MRI tomorrow to see what it is and how long he'll be out for. They better hope he's not out for games, like for 2 games even. Because by that point, you're down 3-0, unless LeBron can pull some LeBron stuff, which I wouldn't put it past him, to will the Cavs to at least 1 win while Kyrie's out. But yeah, it's been looking like a pretty good series though. So hopefully it continues that way, because it was a great game one. But I have to go to bed now. We get to pick up the truck tomorrow because we couldn't get it today because it wasn't ready today. So yeah, and I ordered LEDs from Amazon for my desk, so I'll have some cool ambient lighting in here, and yeah, that should be pretty cool. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.